You'll explore how the relative positions of Earth, the Sun, and the Moon produce patterns we observe as lunar phases and eclipses. If you were an astronaut on the Moon, what would Earth look like during a full moon? Click the image that shows what Earth would look like from the Moon during a full moon.
Abdul Mohsen,
Yes.
if you are an astronaut in the space and you will try to look to planet Earth from the space, what picture can you guess to see in the space? Picture 1, 2, or 3.
Picture 2 in the middle.
In the middle, are you sure? It depends. Let's see.
That's not correct. Try again.
Try again, Abdul Mohsen.
Oh, the full moon. I thought it was another one moon.
No, it's not about moon. It's about planet Earth. If you want to moon, if you travel to the moon like astronauts, and you want to see planet Earth from the moon, for example, it's picture 1 or picture 3.
It's picture 1.
It's not
The
right.
half.
Try again. That's right. During a full moon, we see the moon's entire sunlit side from Earth. This happens when the moon is on the opposite side of Earth from the sun. From the moon, you would not see any of Earth's sunlit side, so it would look completely dark.
You know, Abdul Mohsen, why did you answer it wrongly?
I
You know?
I thought because the Earth's rotation and the moon is from this other side, and this happens.
Look at the question again. What Earth would look like from the moon during a full moon? Full moon. If you want to see the full moon from the Earth, so the whole amount of light from the sun on the moon. That's meaning we can see the dark places.
We can see the Earth dark.
Yeah, that's right. Thank you, Abdul Masud.
Like Earth, half of the moon is always lit by the sun. As the moon orbits Earth, different parts of the sunlit half of the moon face Earth. On Earth, the moon seems to change shape from night to night or disappear completely. These different shapes are called phases. Click the calendar to see the moon's different phases on each night.
Okay. So let's see the full moon. Okay. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Look at the third quarter. So now there's a big difference between full moon 1 and 7 third quarter. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, so 16 new moon, lunar calendar.
As the moon orbits Earth, Earth is orbiting the sun. Click the other pictures to learn more. The moon and Earth are both lit by the sun. Like any object in a path of light, Earth and the moon create shadows. A shadow has two regions, a darker umbra and a fainter penumbra. Sometimes Earth, the moon, and the sun line up, so Earth or the moon is casting a shadow on the other. When the moon passes through Earth's shadow, a lunar eclipse occurs. During a lunar eclipse, the moon begins to disappear in Earth's shadow. Then it glows orange because some sunlight bends around Earth's atmosphere.
Yusuf?
Yes, Mr. Mahmoud.
Yusuf, sometimes when you look to the moon, you'll find it's a little bit orange, right?
Yes.
Why?
Yeah.
Guess
Can
what?
you repeat the
The question?
yes? Can
Why?
you
Why sometimes when you look at the moon, you will find it like orange. It's not white,
I never saw a moon like
like this
orange.
one, like this one in the middle.
Okay.
Okay, listen again to this.
During a lunar eclipse,
Maybe.
the moon begins to
Okay.
disappear in Earth's shadow. Then it glows orange because some sunlight bends around Earth's atmosphere.
You you listen to that?
Okay. Yes.
So it depends about on the some amount of light from our planet.
The sunlight.
During a solar
So it's
eclipse, the moon shadow passes over Earth. From Earth, the moon moves in front of the sun and blocks some or all of it. In a total eclipse, you can see only the sun's corona, or glowing outer atmosphere. A model of the moon and Earth can help you understand the moon's phases. If a model were to scale, Earth and the moon would look like this. This image shows the relative sizes of the Earth and the moon and the distance between them. To understand the moon's phases, it's easier to see them closer together and closer in size. In this inquiry lesson, you'll be examining how the moon appears in different places along its orbit. Here's what you'll use. An Earth and Moon model. You will have a model of the moon orbiting Earth. You will observe how the moon appears from Earth as the moon moves along its orbit. You will determine how the moon appears in each of these places along its orbit. A camera. You will take a picture of the moon from Earth as the moon reaches each place in orbit. A timeline. You will also be able to move the moon by selecting a day in its cycle. Describe your plan for finding out how the moon appears from Earth in different positions in relation to the Sun and Earth. Now follow your plan to investigate how the moon appears from Earth in different positions in relation to the Sun and Earth. Observe where the moon is in relation to the Sun and Earth. Notice how the moon appears from Earth. Take a picture to capture what the moon looks like when it's in each of these places in orbit. You can let the moon orbit on its own or select a specific day in the moon's cycle. Click play to start the model again.
Okay, Ahmed, as you know, we have 28 days in 1 month, right?
Yeah.
So, in what day can we see the full moon?
Mm, full moon or new moon?
Full moon.
Ha. So it's 14.
14.
It's
Uh,
half of the month.
half of the month. Yeah.
No, no,
So,
no. The beginning of the month.
beginning?
Actually, no.
No. You said the half. It's right.
Oh,
In the beginning of the month, we can see the new moon.
I got confused a little bit.
Okay. And what about the first quarter? When can we see it?
Like
And
a
night
third
7, night
of
8?
night.
The night 7 or night 8?
Night 7.
About 7, 8 in this time.
Yeah, like 7:30.
Yeah. What about the third quarter? When can we see it? And 20, like 20, 21, 22, about that. After that, and the end of the month, we can see the new moon again.
Okay.
Look closely at the diagram you completed. Label 4 of the different phases. Drag each label to its phase and click OK.
Manaf? Manaf, can you hear me? Manaf? Manaf?
Yes, mister.
Manaf?
Yes.
Okay. And now, can you tell me where is the third quarter? Or you can choose anyone and put it in the picture. Third quarter, full moon, new moon, first quarter. Choose anyone and put it in each place. Like we have here this one, this picture, this picture, this picture, this one, this one, this one.
Third quarter.
Okay, where is that?
It is this one.
Let me start
Yes.
from this place. From this place, can you see the ray?
Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
No.
Which
it is
number?
The 7.
Number
7.
7. So
Yes.
we have to put it in box 1, box 2, box 3, box 4. Where is it? Third quarter, this one. Can you put it here? Okay. Manaf? Manaf? Okay. Talal? Talal?
Oh, hello.
Where is the full moon?
Full moon on
The left or right?
the left.
You're right. Thank you, Talal. Muhammad? Where's the new moon?
Yes, teacher.
Where's the new moon?
What?
Up or right?
New moon.
Look at the picture and tell me.
Up or right?
Hmm.
New moon.
Yeah.
I think up.
You think up. Look at the picture we have here. Half of the moon is lighted.
No. It's the.
So you mean it's on the right?
Yeah.
On the right. You're right. Because you here we can see the light on the moon. Of course, the last one is first quarter here.
Bye.
Let's check. Okay.
This is how a scientist would complete the moon phase diagram, with each phase labeled. Was your diagram different? How would you change it? If tonight were a full moon, what would you know about the relative positions of the Sun, Earth, and Moon? What do a solar and lunar eclipse look like from Earth? Does your location affect what you see during either eclipse? Choose a city to view the.
Okay, I will give you now an activity to do it. Better? Use another picture, please. Okay. Please search about the lunar eclipse. The lunar eclipse. It's an activity to do it. After that, you have to send that to me. The lunar eclipse. I will send that in the chat so you can see it. Lunar eclipse. It's already double O. Again. the lunar eclipse. Please make a research about it on the internet, then send it to me. Okay. Now, thank you for listening and see you in the math class. Goodbye.
Bye. Bye.